Are you planning to move to Sweden and wondering how to get started with your visa? In this video, I'll take you through the complete process of applying for a Swedish visa as an Indian. Whether it's for work, studies, or family, I'll make it simple and easy to understand. So let's dive right in. First, you need to know which visa is right for you. There are several visa options, depending on your purpose for moving to Sweden, work permit. If you've received a job offer from a Swedish employer, this is the visa you'll need. Your employer will start the application process by providing you with an official offer. You'll need a valid passport and meet salary requirements to qualify. Student visa. If you're planning to study in Sweden, you'll need a residence permit for studies. This requires an admission letter from a Swedish university and proof that you can support yourself financially during your studies. Family reunion visa. If you're joining a family member who already lives in Sweden, this visa is for you. You'll need proof of your relationship, like marriage or birth certificates, and details about their residency. Each visa has specific requirements, so be sure to pick the one that matches your situation. Now, let's talk about the documents you'll need to apply for a Swedish visa. 1. Passport. Your passport must be valid for the duration of your stay in Sweden, plus an extra 3 months. It should also have at least 2 blank pages. 2. Supporting documents. These depend on the visa type. For example, for a work permit, you'll need an official job offer and employment details. For a student visa, you'll need an admission letter from your university and proof of tuition payment. 3. Proof of funds. You must show you have enough money to support yourself during your stay. For example, students need to show at least SEK 8,694 per month for their living expenses. 4. Accommodation details. Provide proof of where you'll be staying, such as a rental agreement or university housing confirmation. 5. Travel insurance. A valid health insurance policy is required to cover your stay. Once you've gathered all the documents, it's time to apply. Here's how to do it. Visit the Swedish Migration Agency website. Go to migrationsverket.se and navigate to the visa application section. Fill out the application form. Choose the appropriate form for your visa type. You'll need to upload digital copies of your documents, so ensure they are scanned and ready. Pay the application fee. The fee depends on the visa type. For example, a work permit costs 2,000 CK, while a student visa costs 1,500 CK. Submit your application. Once you've completed the form and uploaded the documents, submit the application. You'll receive a confirmation email with an application number. Book a biometric appointment. After submitting your application, you'll need to visit the nearest Swedish embassy or consulate in India to provide biometrics, like fingerprints and a photo. Once your visa is approved, congratulations! You're one step closer to starting your new life in Sweden. The whole process can take anywhere from 2 to 4 months, so plan ahead and stay patient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on moving to Sweden. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now! Don't forget to subscribe, watch more videos, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.